Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make chocolate-covered strawberries in Toca Boca, only way. Tap the kitchen, pick a character, and open the food tab to find strawberries and chocolate chips. Place strawberries on the counter and drag chocolate into a bowl. Use the stove or microwave tool to melt chocolate until smooth, stirring gently. Keep items close so your character can dip and decorate easily for a sweet in-game treat. Warm and cozy, let me walk you through melting chocolate in Toca Boca for perfect dipping. Put chocolate chips or a bar in a bowl and choose the microwave or stove option, then start cooking. Pause and stir every few seconds to get a glossy, smooth texture. If it looks too thick, add a tiny splash of milk to loosen it. When it coats the spoon smoothly, you are ready to dip strawberries. Now we get to the fun part, dipping and decorating your strawberries in Toca Boca. Pick up a strawberry by the stem and carefully dip it into the warm chocolate, twisting once for an even coat. Shake off drips and lay each piece on a tray to cool and set. Finish with sprinkles, chopped nuts, or a white chocolate drizzle for contrast. Take screenshots of your creations to share with friends in the game.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.